We are going to start today by talking about the biosphere. And I chose to start with the biosphere because we've already learned about a lot of these things. We've learned about food chains and invasive species and food webs, fungi and compost, parts of plants, animals. That's what the biosphere is. Right? The biosphere is all life on Earth. Right? Anything that's living, ever lived, will ever live is all part of the biosphere. Where does that word biosphere come from? Well, bio means life. Anything with that prefix bio before it has to do with life. And in fact, a biologist is a scientist that studies life on Earth. Right? There's all sorts of different types of biologists. This guy looks like he's a molecular biologist studying microscopic organisms. This gentleman looks like he's studying living things in this river ecosystem. Okay, all biologists, though, study living things. And because the biosphere includes all life on Earth, it has a wide variety of life: bacteria, fungi, plants, animals. All these different varieties of living things are part of the biosphere. And it's also important to understand that life can be found on the ground, underground, in the water, in the air, all over Earth. Anywhere on Earth, you are going to find life, even in the most inhospitable places, like deep sea vents that are thousands of degrees, or deserts, or the deepest parts of the ocean. There's going to be life in all of those places. So let's look at our model here, and this is going to be found in the classwork section. And let's see if we can label some places that are part of the biosphere. So the directions say to use the numbered sticky notes to label each example. So here are my biosphere stickers. And I'm going to use green for the biosphere. So let's see, label each example and color each example. So let's see, parts of the biosphere. Well, here I see some fish down here, right? So I'm actually going to label this fish. And then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to use the highlighter. I'm going to use the green highlighter. I'm going to color these guys in. So you fishies are part of the biosphere. All right, let's see if we can find another one. What else is part of the biosphere? Think about it. Point to your screen. Can you name another part of the biosphere? Huh. Well, here I see, what do I see here? I see some trees, right? Some trees. Write that down. They are absolutely part of the biosphere, for sure. So I'm going to color those in green as well. Let's see. Not going to be perfect, but I'm also going to try and do my best because I'm going to end up with a lot of different things going on in this poster. So let's try to keep it neat. Okay, let's see if you can go ahead and label at least 5 on your poster in the classwork section. Go for it.